Alright guys, I was filming another video, pay no attention to that, but my hiccup helmet came. Okay, this is way too cool. Well, as promised, show you guys the entire costume. Okay, it's really tight, but I'm not gonna wear it that much anyway, so whatever.